it will check the condition, but while loop executes till the condition become false. So once this big condition is false, then only it will terminate the program. Clear? Now you can see this. This while loop is clear, right? Or any doubt?
Clear.
So we are defining one condition in specific way. Now coming to do while. Do while, when they are using for while, right? The execution loop body only if the condition is true. Now you can see this. Here, once the condition, this while loop, whenever this condition become false, program is terminating. But here in the do while, we are mentioning, see, do this, and if it is satisfied, then it will execute the program. Clear? Now a equal to a less than or equal to, here do some increment. Now in the earlier program, increment are doing inside the condition. Now we are writing the condition outside. In do while loop, it will execute loop first, then check the condition. So it will execute the loop at least once. It is called exit controlled loop, while for while and while loop are called entry control loop. So means without checking any condition, all do something will do, after that condition will check. In earlier case, condition will check, after that it will increase. That is the major difference. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Here, now you can see what we are saying. If condition is true, see syntax error. So do always will follow with this condition. Now right click, run as Java application. What happening?
N number of times.
N number of times it will. This we can call it as infinite loop. But what we want to say, now we want to define. So this loop always will execute by do something, then true. Here we mention true. Now I less than or equal to. You are getting what I am saying? I. Now what we want to say, we want to break if I value reach int I equal to 0. Clear? Now I, after this we will execute and enter I plus plus. Now we will print this I value, then you will understand. Now what is happening? Initially do will execute. You can see what printed 0, 1, 2 means do something here, means logic will execute and defining condition here. But before what we are doing here, we are checking the condition. You are getting right. We are checking the condition. Then we are increasing. But here we are not checking the condition. We are increasing. Now you can keep this as 10. Right click, run as Java application. Till 10 it was done, printing, first printing. After that, while is executing. See, means something we are performing before checking the condition. See, this you need to select. What I need to select? You have a doubt. Sir, while loop or do while loop I need to check. That is based on your business logic. So now what you are checking? You are giving XYZ and you are stopping the program 1 to 10. You are getting?
Yes.
Means here your business logic is whenever the class is reached to 10, then you need to stop the program. You are clear on business. Just my program, when it will print 1 to 10, so it should be stopped. Clear? Clear. Now, what you need to
Okay.
think again in while loop. So till 10, I should print. Clear? You are getting or any confusion? See, both the ways the same way. Here we are writing logic before, after that we are checking the condition. In while we are checking the condition first after printing.
Yes.
Both are same way. Both are the same output finally giving. Clear or any doubt?
Clear, Anna.
Now you need to check what is the difference between for loop, do while loop. Note down that question. Check it when we need to use that in real time. You can, it will say clearly. Now practice on all these control statements. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we are going to discuss this operator. Okay, operators and comments tomorrow I am going to cover. Yeah, thanks for joining.